Welcome to The Explainer. Now, if you're a creator on YouTube, you've probably felt it. This huge shift in what the platform is rewarding. Well, today, we're not just going to talk about it, we are giving you the actual playbook for 2026 to take this change and use it for some serious channel growth.
All right, let's just dive right in. I want you to be really honest with yourself for a second. Doesn't matter if you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Just ask yourself this one thing. Is this strategy you're using right now built for the YouTube of yesterday or the YouTube of today? Because here's the reality, and it's a big one. YouTube has gone all in on shorts. We're living in a shorts-first ecosystem now. And I'm not talking about some little tweak to the algorithm. No, this is a total rewrite of how your videos get found, and it changes, well, pretty much everything. So, what does this shorts-first world actually look like for you, for the content you spend so much time making? Let's take a look at the hard evidence and see how this new reality is shaking out across the entire platform. I mean, just look at this comparison. It's night and day, right? A couple of years ago, you'd search for something and you'd get a nice, neat list of traditional videos. But today, that same search throws a whole feed of shorts right at the top. This isn't just a trend, this is YouTube fundamentally redesigning its own search engine. And if you want proof, the numbers here tell the entire story. Check this out. The top long-form video for this search term got 89,000 views. That's not bad at all. But then look at the shorts answering the very same question. We're talking over 500,000. Another one with 460K, and one with 3 million views. The audience has spoken. For quick answers, they are going straight to shorts. Okay, so this is the new game. The question is, how do we play it to win? It's not about just throwing shorts at the wall and hoping one goes viral anymore. The real strategy now is to get your shorts to rank inside YouTube's search itself. That's the discovery engine we need to master. And you know what? The strategy is actually pretty straightforward. It all boils down to just two things, two pillars. You have to perfect your metadata, and you have to master keyword research. So let's break down exactly how you do that. This right here, this is the formula. It's simple, but it is so effective. For any short you want to rank in search, you just follow this recipe. Your main keyword goes once in the title, 2 times in the description, and then you put it in your tags at least 5 times. That's it. You're basically spoon-feeding the algorithm exactly what your video is about. But you might be asking, how do I find these magic keywords in the first place? Well, that's where tools like vidIQ come into play. These AI-powered platforms are game changers. They analyze all the data and tell you what people are actually searching for. It's the difference between guessing what might work and knowing what will work.
All right, so you've followed the plan, you've cracked the search code, and now the views are rolling in. That's awesome. But let's be honest, views alone don't build a channel. Subscribers do. So the next crucial step is turning all those eyeballs into a real, loyal community.
And here's the number you should be obsessed with, a 2 to 5% conversion rate. What does that mean? It means for every 1,000 views your short gets, you should be gaining between 20 and 50 new subscribers. That's the metric that tells you your content isn't just being watched, it's actually connecting with people.
And if you want to know the single most powerful way to hit that number, just look at this chart. It's incredible. One video gets 1 million views, no call to action, and it brings in 4,000 subs. The other video, with a simple call to action, gets 34,000 subs. The difference is just staggering. The lesson here is so clear. If you want people to subscribe, you literally just have to ask them.
And it doesn't have to be complicated. Something as simple as this, right in the last 3 seconds of your video, makes all the difference. See, you're not just begging for a sub. You're connecting it to a benefit for them, growing faster. It's a win-win, and boy, does it work. So we've got the views, we're converting them into subscribers. Now for the part everyone wants to know about. Let's talk about the money. How do we turn all this incredible new traffic into actual revenue for your channel? And right away, we run into a really frustrating roadblock that every Shorts creator knows. You can't put clickable links in your Shorts comments or descriptions. It's a huge pain. So how are you supposed to sell anything or send people anywhere? Well, don't worry, there's a really clever way around it. It's called the bridge method, and it's brilliant. First, your shorts go viral. Then you use that related video feature to link your short to a longer, maybe unlisted, bridge video. It's in that video that you make your sales pitch. And from there, you tell people to click the link in the pinned comment of the bridge video. It's a simple little funnel that totally bypasses the shorts limitation. So, we've covered a lot of ground. Let's pull it all together and recap this entire strategy. Think of this as your simple step-by-step blueprint for how to grow on YouTube in 2026 and beyond. This is it. This is your checklist. Make shorts a priority. Nail that metadata formula, 1 in the title, 2 in the description, 5 in the tags. Use keyword research to find what people want. Always add that CTA at the end. Shoot for that 2 to 5% conversion rate. And finally, use the bridge method to monetize. This is your game plan. So there you have it. You've got the blueprint, you've got the exact strategy. The only thing missing now is you putting it into action. So my question for you is, what's the first short you're going to make using this new playbook?